It's our unique. I mean, it's my own sauce. It's my own creation of the dough. It's my own creation of the sauce. It's the ingredients we use, all fresh ingredients, no canned mushrooms, all fresh onions, green peppers. We call that stuff in-house. It's our own sauce, and it's my own creation. So I actually went to a scientist, and he actually made our bags of sauces for us. So this way, everything stays inconsistent. It stays consistent every time we make the pizza we try. We start with the flour, oil, honey, salt, water, and yeast, and we make our dough in-house. And then we let it sit overnight. We put it through the dough roller. We have a thing called the dough roller double bypass. And then we roll it out. Then that little yellow stuff on the bottom of the cardboard that we put on is cornmeal. And it actually acts like little rollers. It moves it into the pizza, and then it cooks for 5.5 minutes. It comes out on a conveyor belt, and we cut it in slices, but we use all fresh ingredients.